Did you know that in order to rank high in the search results that you have to write for search engine spiders and for human visitors? Hey, good day folks, I'm Givogue, your friendly host here for Career FH. It's important to understand that in order to fully optimize your article to appear on the top of the search engines, you need to have a combination of on-page factors and off-page factors that are met. In this video, I'll focus on the on-page factors. Now, if you'd like to get more information on the off-page factors, check out my backlink tools video. Humans read and see your content that you post on your blog, so it's important for your content to make sense. But if you write with only humans in mind, you're forgetting all about the search engine spiders, which are the robot algorithm that read and index your content based on clues that you give it, which is all the HTML code. You know, the behind the scenes, under the hood of your website, so to speak. Luckily, we don't have to know all this code by heart, but it's important that you understand where to give the index spiders the maximum clues so that they can properly index your website for the keyword that you want. Keep in mind that you don't want to only speak to the index spiders because then your article will make no sense to a human reader. Search engines are smarter than you think. They will measure a visitor's time spent on a page, and if everyone clicks away within the first seconds, it means that your content sucks. Therefore, you will not be rewarded with a higher rank, and other competitors will surpass you. So it's very important that you balance the way that you write. Here's a list of guidelines that you can follow for your page to be fully optimized. Remember, our goal here is to make sure that we give enough clues to the index spiders to let them know what our page is all about. So let's dive into it. Aim for an article with a minimum of about 300 words. Then have your keyword in your URL slug. So that's after the .com/keyword. So make sure that in your URL you have the keyword in there. At the beginning of your title, so the H1, the header one. In the first line of your first paragraph, make sure your keyword is in there as well. Aim to have about 4 to 7% keyword density, which means that for every 100 words, have 4 to 7 of them be your keyword. Lower is okay, but don't exceed the 7%. Otherwise, it will be considered like you're spamming the search engines, and you don't want that. Have your keyword in the subtitle, so the header 2, the H2. You can have your keyword in bold or underline in one or two of your sentences. It's optional, but it doesn't hurt. Make sure that if you do that, you don't do that for every keyword. Otherwise, again, it doesn't look natural, and it looks like you're trying to spam your way. Have your keyword at least once in your last paragraph and possibly your last sentence. Have your keyword as an image name. Before uploading your image, save it as your keyword with something else. You also want to have your keyword in the alt text of your image. These two are so easy that you should make it a habit to always have an image with its alt text. You should have your keyword in the title of your video if you have one, in your meta title, in your meta description, in your meta focus keyword or your primary keyword. Finally, have a couple of external links that points out to high quality sites. Sure, it may drive some traffic away, but remember, it's about giving the visitor a good experience by delivering quality information. When people love your style, they will come back, and search engines will notice that behavior. Moving on. At first, it can be confusing to try to remember where to put what and in what order because writing for the spiders is unnatural. But over time, you'll be better at it and you'll understand the balance. Now, for me, it's like second nature. I just know and understand the flow of things. Again, these are guidelines and can be altered depending on your article. I have articles that are perfectly balanced, 50-50, while others could be 75-25, either way. At the end of the day, you want to give value to your audience, and the more value you give, the more you'll get repeat visitors with social shares, etc. A combination of all these factors will be taken into play when your website is evaluated by the index robots. In order for me to follow these steps, I use a plugin called WordPress SEO by Yoast, where it helps me visually to see if I answered all the requirements mentioned above by using green, orange, or red circles next to the guideline. Most of the time now, it's always green. Now, if I can do it and follow this easy system, so can you. Well, that's pretty much it for how to write for search engines and visitors. It shouldn't be more complicated than following those guidelines. If you have any questions, come reach out to me on my Facebook page, facebook.com/givogue.andre. What about you? After understanding this, how will your writing for search engines and visitors improve? Share your thoughts and comments down below, and thanks for watching this episode of Career FH. Start your career from home today. If you want more tips and tricks on starting your own career from home, then come visit our blog at www.careerfh.com. There you'll find more in-depth videos and information to get you started and off the ground. If you got value out of this video, show us your appreciation by clicking on the like button, share it with your friends and family, and to get more videos like these, make sure you subscribe. Like always, have an awesome day, and cheers everybody! The more you'll get repeat visitors with social share, bleh. The more you'll get repeat visitors with social share, etc., etc. The more you'll get repeat visitors with social shares. The more you'll get repeat visitors with the more you'll get repeat visitors with social shares, etc. The more you'll get repeat visitors with social. The more you'll get repeat visitors with social shares, etc.